This is a series of multi-functional carpet cleaning machines, which are designed for home and business. It is a multi-functional machine integrating wet and dry vacuuming, carpet cleaning and curtain cleaning, with all the functions of vacuum cleaner. Professional carpet squeegee, suitable for all kinds of carpet cleaning. Light squeegee, easy to operate with one hand, and suitable for the cleaning of a variety of fabrics curtains. The capacity available are 20L, 30L and 40L, all with 10L solution tank. Drain valve is optional. Strong suction above 15 kPa. Output water pressure can reach to 0.7 MPa, which ensures the uniform spray of cleaning liquid. The nozzle filter is easy to remove and clean. The spray switch is made by copper with good sealing and corrosion resistance. Flexible and multi-purpose in one machine, it is the ideal choice of cleaning and maintenance of home, car, office, hotel, etc.